During the time that I have been with MHCD, I am most proud of the fact that I have been able to support the growth and sustainability of services for those we serve.
Some of the things I'm most proud of are the program that I started with the Link to Succeed, which is our supported education program, for letting our people in services go back to college and go back to school. That's totally cool.
My favorite memories are from the all-staff gatherings where the sense of unity as a team working together to achieve a service-driven mission was apparent. In particular, I remember one holiday party where almost everyone in attendance formed a conga line and we danced around the room to 80s disco. We were just so happy to be together.
Some of my fondest memories of MHCD are the first time I went through orientation, which we all go through. And the director, when we first started, was Dr. Roberto Quiros. And he pulled me aside and he said, "Kathy," he goes, "I didn't hire you for the paycheck. I hired you to instill hope in people and provide that. Hope is a part of recovery." And right then I was hooked on MHCD.
I can't think of any other organization where I would enjoy celebrating this milestone more.
What I am most proud of in my time at the Mental Health Center of Denver is the numerous people I have seen go from being brand new case managers to moving on to graduate school, to becoming program managers, even directors. It's really wonderful to see people starting their career at MHCD and then moving into positions that they find really fulfilling and exciting.
What I'm most proud of my time at MHCD is the opportunity to provide training and technical assistance at the Mental Health Center of Denver, as well as other behavioral healthcare agencies, on how to be more accessible to deaf and hard of hearing individuals.
We are truly a center of excellence and one of the top organizations to work for. Memories from the last couple years of participating in the Bike to Work Day with Nick and Steve Fisher. I think it was last year, one of the breakfast stations was serving bacon. So to be on your bike at 6:45, 7 o'clock in the morning and pulling over and having some fresh made bacon on your way to work is pretty memorable.
We only planned to live here for 3 years, and now it's going on 26. But I'm just really grateful for all the opportunities that I've had at the Mental Health Center of Denver, working with colleagues, great co-workers within the agency, across the nation, and locally here in Colorado.
Reaching this milestone of 20 years of service makes me feel both very proud and also very thankful for all of the people who have helped me along the way.
I'm really proud that for the 8th year in a row, Mental Health Center of Denver has been named a top workplace by the Denver Post.
Some of the proudest moments I've had with the company is being on the ground floor for the transition of our building, the Bannock building, to have seen over 100 folks we serve graduate from our customer service and computer training program, as well as being able to contribute some of the artwork to our earlier wellness conferences. Being able to see the people's faces that were graduating back in the day with our program and getting their first experience of a graduation picture, having their family there, that felt really good to know that we were impacting lives like that.
A couple I met who were making masks, and I asked them if they would donate some to the Mental Health Center of Denver, and they said they would. I thought they were going to donate 50 masks. They ended up actually donating 100 homemade masks to the organization. And when I met with them, they said that they have a daughter that has a mental illness. She's been in treatment for a number of years, and they were members of NAMI. They're absolutely grateful for the services we've provided, and they said they were working on 50 more masks for the organization.
Having reached the 25-year milestone, I've always felt very fortunate working for Mental Health Center of Denver, whom I felt has always stayed at the forefront of psychiatric services, psych rehab services. I've had the opportunity to express myself as an artist, as a teacher, and as a counselor. And I know that we impact people's lives every day.